Hi, good morning. Welcome to my 6 a.m. morning routine. Today, I'm gonna be sharing my healthy morning routine. The first thing I do is make my bed. There are some surprising benefits to making your bed each day. First, it leads to better productivity. Second, it lowers your stress and improves your mood. The second thing I do is have a simple skincare routine. Before I wash my face, I need to brush my teeth. And then I wash my face using a simple cleanser. It suits to my skin. I just need this simple skincare routine to make my skin better. The third thing I do is drink a lot of water. Drinking water in the morning improves digestion. It's really good for your health. The fourth thing I do is write my positive quotes. What better way to start each morning than writing some highly motivational quotes? I always spend a few minutes every morning writing great quotes. I find writing motivational quotes puts me in the perfect frame of mind to start planning out my day ahead. I highly recommend that if you come across a great quote in your morning routine that really resonates with you, share it with your friends. Never underestimate the power that a few positive words can have on someone's day. The fifth thing I do is read a good books. Therefore, I highly recommend you read at least 15 minutes every single morning. I guarantee you will accelerate your personal growth much faster than ever before. Some books will open your eyes to new things that you didn't even know existed. The sixth thing I do is play guitar. Here is one reason why playing the guitar is good for your mental health. Playing guitar is a form of therapy. The benefits of music therapy are becoming ever more apparent with schools, charities, and health organizations using playing the guitar to manage a person's stress, enhance their memory, improve their communication, and motor skill. Before I start exercising, I need to change a suitable cloth. 7th, I move for a few minutes. Generally, working out in the morning is better because it's easier to commit to and get done before the day's responsibilities get in the way. In the evening, many people feel tired after work or school. It can be difficult to find motivation or time to exercise. The 8th, I get some fresh air. There are 6 benefits of getting fresh air. First, fresh air is good for your digestive system. Second, fresh air helps improve blood pressure and heart rate. Then, fresh air makes you happier. Then, fresh air strengthens your immune system. Oh yeah, after exercising, I need to take a shower. After the shower, I use sunblock for a better skin. And it's done. Don't forget to tell yourself you are beautiful. The 10th, get a healthy breakfast. Let's start it. There are top 5 health benefits of eating breakfast. First, breakfast decreases appetite. Then, you eat less. Also, you will improve your memory. And then, you can prevent type 2 diabetes. Then, you will weigh less. I also make a vegetable juice in the morning. There are 6 interesting health and beauty benefits. First, high nutrient levels. Second, keeps our body hydrated. Third, promotes hair growth. Fourth, fights hair loss. Fifth, may cure acne and pimples. That's all for today. I hope you guys enjoy my morning routine.